tell us what it is that you do professionally?
I'm a senior video engineer and broadcast consultant.
Any career highlights that we should know about?
My personal highlight, broadcasting the FA Cup final 1991 Spurs Nottingham Forest.
Tottenham fan?
Well, as long as there's a seat for me in the executive box.
I see. But as for your career, I think you're being modest.
I was senior broadcasting engineer for Sky Sports for 22 years. I pioneered the use of cameras embedded in goalposts for football coverage, as cameras in wickets for cricket promos, in-car cameras for motor racing. Yeah, according to Wikipedia, I revolutionised televised sport.
Yes, I'm sure Mr. Levy's career is very impressive, Miss Roberts, but if you could begin getting to the point.
Would it be true to say that you are highly knowledgeable in the use of helmet cams, such as the one used to record the evidence in this case?
A Pulse R70, I've tested them.
You're not a fan.
Poor man's GoPro.
What is it that doesn't pass muster?
How long have you got?
Not long.
Presumably it's the poor picture quality.
The resolution is comparable to the GoPro.
So what is it, the audio?
Well, the onboard mic is obviously useless, but I wouldn't expect to use a minicam to record sound.
Right, so what is it then, Mr. Levy? What is it that you don't like about this camera?
The drift.
Sorry, the
drift, the lag, the slippage.
Perhaps you might use more layperson's terms.
Indeed.
The drift is when the audio lags behind the video.
The audio lags behind the video.
Making it out of sync.
By how much?
Well, it depends how long you leave it in record. First 5 minutes you probably won't see it. 15 minutes drifted a few frames, so you'll see people talking out of sync. You'll hear a ball kick after the bloke's kicked it. Gets exponentially worse from there.
So how far out would it be if a camera was left running for, say, an hour?
5 or 6.
Frames?
Seconds.
5 seconds out of sync. Right, well, I suggest it pertinent that we watch the video footage correctly synchronized at the earliest opportunity.
Agreed.
Excellent. We have it here. Under Mr. Levy's guidance, we started the audio earlier by the estimated 5 seconds, and I'm sure you'll agree it now makes much more sense.
Get fucking back!
Lance Corporal Emery can't explain why he said get fucking back after he shot the Taliban insurgent, because he didn't. He said it before.
Get fucking back!
My client has been court-martialed, convicted, and incarcerated for 6 months based on erroneous video evidence. His conviction is unsafe, and I suggest it be overturned with immediate effect.